Welcome back, Jason Ganal, GQue BBQ. Today it's pimento cheese. It's simple, it's easy, and your family and friends are gonna love it. If you wanna see how to make it, it's coming up right now. First thing we're gonna do is get the bacon going. I'm gonna lay down a couple of strips on the Blackstone griddle. If you're thinking I've eaten pimento cheese many times and I've never seen bacon in it, you're right. Bacon is not a staple item in pimento cheese. However, this is a barbecue channel and we like to get meat into as many things as we possibly can. If you're all for bacon and pimento cheese, give me a thumbs up. And if you don't like bacon, then you should definitely not click on that link below where we smoked bacon and then wrapped it in bacon. Stay away from that video. Can't have pimento cheese without the cheese. If I'm making this just for me and having friends over, then I'm going 100% extra sharp cheddar. I love that bite you get from the extra sharp cheddar that you don't get from the sharp cheddar. However, since I'm making this for the family, I'm going 3 parts sharp, 1 part extra sharp. Don't buy and use pre-shredded cheese. It has a coating to preserve it, and the freshly grated cheese is far superior to the pre-shredded. Pimento peppers are a given. They create a mild pepper flavor and provide its signature reddish color. Be sure to drain your peppers well and give them a few extra chops if they're in slices to create that tiny dice. I find jarred peppers to be great. However, if you want to go that extra mile, you can roast off your own red peppers. A little bit of butter, a little bit of garlic to make a garlic spread. A nice browning action is going to give us good crispy edges, and that texture, that crunch is what we're looking for the soft pimento cheese. Let's add the mayonnaise. The mayonnaise is going to add a silky texture and some key flavor. I get a lot of recommendations to try Duke's, but I can't get my hands on it up here in Colorado. Use whatever your favorite mayonnaise is. I like my pimento cheese to have a little bit of kick. No better way to give it kick than some cayenne. Now for the bacon's going to add some nice salty taste and provide good texture and crispness. Salt loves pepper, so let's add in some crushed black pepper. Keep adding mayonnaise till you get the consistency you want. I like a good spreadable pimento cheese, so I'll keep adding mayonnaise till I get the right texture. I like pimento cheese best on a hot summer day, sitting out in the backyard, enjoying some cold ones with your family, with your friends. I like to serve the pimento cheese immediately or chill it in the refrigerator. If you put it in the refrigerator, it's going to last for up to a week. What you see most people doing is putting it on a cracker and enjoying pimento cheese that way or on a sandwich. However, I think it's best on a good piece of crusty garlic bread. Now for my favorite part, the taste test. This is something I'm reaching for on a hot summer day when I got a cold beer in one hand and I need something to chew on in between sips. If you make this, you gotta put the bacon in there and you gotta put it on the garlic bread. It's what truly sets it apart. If this looks good, if it's something you wanna try, give me a thumbs up. On the next video, I'm gonna be adding the pimento cheese to something else. If you don't wanna miss it, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. Jason Ganal, GQue BBQ, and I'll see you on the next one.